Kasi nakita ko yung purpose. I can inspire more by being a better director if I can inspire them that they can do it. Maraming mga budding directors also that wants to train under me. Let's just take for example, Dodi over there. He's a training director under me. I have another one who's not here, Arlo. They train under me because they want to see themselves, that they want to believe in themselves that they can. And the best way I can do that is to do this song, sing it to them, send it to them, habang nagtatrabaho ako, na kaya kong pagsabayin tong lahat. Kasi itong kanta naman, it's basically a medium to inspire. And what they're asking for is an inspiration that they can do it. So, eto na po yun. And it's part of a bigger picture. So, I hope tumagal pa sila. Sana hindi nila ako iwan. Para mas makita nila kung ano hinahanap nila. Yeah.
Pero direct kanino mo dinededicate itong kanta mo nito?
Ito po, dinededicate ko to sa lahat ng mga taong natulungan ko at tinutulungan ko pa at sa mga susunod na henerasyon na makakadaupang palad ko pa na hihingi ng tulong sa akin or wants to be inspired by me. Yun, para sa kanila to.
Upcoming gigs.
Wow. Well, as a director, I will be directing the camera coverage of December Avenue. I will also be doing, I will be directing the next concert of AGs on February 2025. I have 2 more concerts coming up in January na hindi pa daw po pwedeng sabihin.
How about yung song? Kung saan
For my song,
to promote your song.
to promote my song, I have a Net20 Letters and Music.
Yes.
Yes, I have a Letters and Music guesting. I also just finished my Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Tapos na yun. Hindi ko pa po nako-confirm pero ayos yata yung Good Morning Kapatid. Yung mga, magiging ano yata ako ng mga morning show. Ang aga. Pero hindi, ako naman po, I'm open to anything. I mean, this song, I just want it out there. Kaya ako rin po kayo, pinatawag ko kayo lahat. Kaya ako po kayo pinatawag. Is gusto ko to, yung message ng kantang mailabas natin. Plus, of course, ma-inspire din yung other people to dream bigger, be inspired more, and to believe.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Sir Bobby. At the time sinabi ni Direk, he helps out a lot. A lot of his directors under his wing, talagang binibigyan niya ng big shows. I'm not kidding. Like, pag busy siya, they will direct the entire show. TV5, Fine Night Law. Like, big shows talaga. He gives them the responsibility of feeling like a full-fledged director, even though he's
Kasi baka
teaching them. Oh, sige. Wait, I'll go to the next question. Anyway, moving on to PhilStar. Let's have Miss Leia Saltero.
Hi, Miss
Hello, Miss
Leia.
Leia. Saltero, there you go.
Thank you. Hi, Direk.
Hello po.
Can you tell us briefly lang muna, first question, how was your experience directing Martin?
Oh, Tito
Yes,
Martin is
briefly
so...
lang, briefly lang.
Haba ko po kasi magsalita. Hindi, briefly, Tito Martin is one of the best collaborators ever. Super. Kasi he's my first writer for concerts. So you know, he writes my concerts. Yung mga bago ko, yung mga Carlo Aquino ko, yung mga Mateo Viticelli ko before, he writes the script. And
Really?
He gives it to me. Siyempre, ayusin ko po kasi po iba yung format niya, nasa notes. Gagawin ko siyang document. But he creates, we collaborate together with concepts.
So how long ago was this?
2009.
Oh, more than a decade ago.
Opo. I mean, I didn't realize that I will be close to the concert thing. Kasi syempre, I was a small director, but nung sinabi niya sa akin na, oh, so you're Frank. So what do you want me to do? Then na nagsabayan.
Okay. Pero even before, when you were younger,
Yes po.
maybe after college or before college, what was your biggest ambition?
I really wanted to be a singer.
Singer talaga.
Lakan po talaga ako ng singing
What
contest.
did you take up in college?
Communication Arts at the University of Santo Tomas.
That.
Yeah,
Mm.
yun po.
So, ba't hindi mo pinursu agad yung being a singer?
There came a point in my life na parang sabi ko, I think, when I entered college, I fell in love with television. Habang nag-audition po ako every Thursdays, naalala ko na every Thursdays, 4 p.m., kailangan ko makarating sa audience entrance. Kasi ano na yun eh,
Yes.
audition na yun ng Star na Million ng time na yun. Habang ginagawa ko yun, I was part of an organization back in college. It was called the Tomasian Cable Television, where we produce TV shows,
Meron ng ganon.
where we direct events. I fell in love with that. And then pagka-graduate ko, dahil nga laman ako ng mga singing contest, nung nag-apply ako sa ABS, ang naalala nila, ikaw yung pinakamaraming audition. So yun. So doon po nagsimula talaga yung career ko, being a singer. But it just dawned on me that I think this can be my detour going to being a singer. Ito na nga po, ayan, nangyari. So I have to direct this much shows, I have to direct this much content, I have to meet these people so that when the time is right, sa tamang panahon, kaya ko nang gumawa ng kanta, kaya ko nang maging singer. And that's what happened.
So, Direk, where do you want to take your being a singer from here?
Ako, gusto ko lang po talagang mag-inspire. I miss A. Hindi ko ba? Yan. Gusto ko lang po talaga mag-inspire ng a lot of people. Hindi ko pa nakita yung sarili ko na parang Eric Santos o Gary Vee, ganyan. I just want to be a simple singer. A singer that when a record comes out, people listen to and they believe in.
So, are you under a recording company now?
That's one thing also. I'm not under any recording. I distribute it myself.
Oh, alright. Saan? Anong company Direk?
It's FLM Creatives and Productions Inc.
FM?
FLM.
FM.
That's my initials.
Alright.
Yes, and that's what I do now. I also manage talents and I also produce music. So, might as well. So, ako naman. Parang, inisip ko kasi I've been producing music for other people.
Now
I
it's
think
time.
Now it's time na
Yes.
ako
Ikaw
naman
naman.
po. Opo.
Alright.
But ano naman yun, I will still continue helping out musicians to produce their music, to be heard with the resources that I have, with the connections that I have. Yeah.
So, hindi ito full-time, itong singing career na.
I don't think it's gonna be full. Well, it's gonna be a supplement. How do you call it? Like hand in hand siya.
Alright.
Yun, hand in hand.
Alright. Good luck, Direk.
Maraming salamat po.